Welcome to Slant POS.
And click on the Login button. In this video, we create new category. First, click on Menu icon and click on Masters. In the category Master, click on Add New button. In the pop-up, enter category name in the first field. Short description field is optional. After enter category name, then click Save it, and the new category is created. In this video, we create product. First, click on Menu icon. Then choose Masters option. In the Masters menu, click Product Master, and then click on Add New button. In the Add Product screen, first enter product name. And then product rate. Select product type normal. Then select category from the list. And add image from your gallery or using your camera. Crop the image or use original size. Then click on arrow icon to save. To save the created product, click on Save button, and your product is created. In this video, we create variant product. First, click on Menu icon. Then choose Masters option. In the Masters menu, click Product Master, and then click on Add New button. In the Add Product screen, first enter product name. Select product type variant, and then product rate. Then select category from the list. To save the created product, click on Save button. Your variant product is created. In this video, we create area and tables. First, click on Menu icon, then click on Masters. In the Master menu, choose Area Master. Click on Create Area button to create new area, and enter area name. Then click on Save to save created area. Now we create table by clicking on Add New button. First, enter table name. Then table packs. You can also choose table shape right now. Table shape is rectangle. Then click Save button, and you are done. In this video, we create variant group. First, click on Menu icon. Then click on Masters. In the Masters menu, choose Group Variant Master, and then click on Add New button. In the Add Variant group, first enter variant name. Then select category name from the list. To add variant item, click on Select Product. select variant item that you want to add by clicking on checkbox and click on Done button to save selection. You can add variant image by clicking on Gallery option. Then click on Save button. And you are done. In this video, we create modifier product. First, click on menu icon. Then choose Masters option. In the Masters menu, click Product Master. And then click on Add New button. In the Add Product screen, first enter product name. And then product rate. Select Product Type Modifier. To save the created product, click on Save button, and your modifier product is created. In today's video, we create modifier group. First, click on menu icon and choose Masters. In the Master screen, click on Group Modifier Masters. Click on Add New button to create new modifier groups. In the first field, enter group modifier name. After, click on Select Product. And then select modifier item that you want to add in this modifier group by clicking on checkbox. Click on Done button to save selection. And click on Save button. And you are done. In today's video, we link the modifier group to product. First, click on menu icon. Then choose Masters option. In the Masters menu, click Product Master. And then select the product from the list. In the Product Edit screen, click on Add Modifier button. Select modifier in the list by clicking on checkbox and save, and you are done. Click on back icon to check added modifier. Tap on garlic pizza bread. In the cart, tap on modifier. In the dialog box, the added modifier is visible. In this video, we add combo. First, click on menu icon. Then click on Masters. In the Masters menu, choose Combo Master, and then click on Add New button. In the Add Combo screen, first enter combo name. Then enter sale rate. Click on Select Product to add combo items. In the combo item list, select items by clicking on checkbox. Then click on Done button. Add image by clicking on plus icon. Then click on Save button. And you are done. In today's video, create dining order. First, click on Dine-In option. For Create Area, you can watch other video how to create area and tables. First, select the table and enter number of person and click on Submit. Now let's begin the dining order. Add items in the cart. The table is currently occupied, so we just generate code. Let's complete the billing by click on Place Order button. In this order, we use split payment. Choose any payment method. And click on Make Payment. And you are done. In today's video, we create takeaway order. First, we add items in the cart. If the item have variant select in the list, let's add one combo and modifier item as well. After adding all the items in the cart, click on Place Order button and select any payment method and make payment. You can close this pop-up or you can send bill on email or WhatsApp. In today's video, we learn how to do split payment. Click on item that you want to add in the cart. Then click on Place Order button. For split payment, switch toggle single to split. Then select any payment method. Enter amount. Let's choose another payment method and submit. After, click on Make Payment. If you want the bill to send on WhatsApp or email, enter the details or you can close this pop-up screen. And you are done. In today's video, we will see transaction screen. First, click on menu icon and choose Transaction. In the transaction screen, if you want see date wise transaction, click on Start Date and select any date. And click OK to save selection. If you want to see payment method wise transaction, simply click any payment method from the left side. And you are done. In today's video, we see order screen. First, click on menu icon and choose order option. Check date-wise order by clicking on Start Date. Click on Start Date and select any date, and click OK to save selection, and then Apply. If you want to send bill to WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp button. Enter number and then click on Send. And you are done. In this video, we create tax. First, click on menu icon. Then click on Masters. In the Master menu, click on Tax Master, and then click on Add New button. And then enter tax name. Select sale type and text value. Then click on Save button. And you are done. In today's video, we connect Bluetooth printers. First, click on menu icon. And then click on Settings. Choose Bluetooth devices. Then click on Allow to search nearby devices. As you can see, the available device is now searched. If you want to setting in printer, click on Printer Setting. In this screen, you can choose printer type and change connection type USB to Bluetooth. Select Default Printer and choose one of the printer in this list. Let's check if printer is connected by clicking on Print Test button. The print